Welcome to Boat Shop Tour number 4. Here we have a sea skiff I had purchased at online auction. It was one of 2 I'd purchased. Anyway, it was too far gone, missing too many parts. Bottom was shot. It was, as near as I could tell, it's 62, 63. Nice boat. Wish I could have restored it, but had to do something with it, so I decided to turn it into a beer garden boat bar. In the back, I've allowed for an ice machine there in the back, and then over on the side here, I allowed for a beer box 5 foot long. And then up in the front, we have room for a kegerator and plenty of storage down the sides, as you can see, for bottles, glasses, and what have you. Anyway, it turned out pretty nice. It's kind of cool. I refabricated the exhaust out of wood so nobody could hurt themselves. Nice and rounded. Gave it a little class, a little color. And anyway, it's for sale. If you know anybody who's got a beer garden and wanting a boat bar. Next, we'll talk about this holiday in the back. It was a gem in the rough, but we made it into another pretty boat. Thank you very much.